Hey everybody, welcome back to the Printing Workshop. I'm Matthew and today we're going to be discussing changing the scanner maintenance kit on a new VersaLink B625. Alright, first thing you're going to want to do on this one, there's a gray latch next to that letter D. Just lift up on that latch and the whole thing opens up top. Now there's two parts to the scanner maintenance kit. You have your pickup rolls and you have your separator roll down on the bottom. We'll start with the separator roll first. You're going to have to remove the orange cover by pushing rearward on the orange latch at the front of the cover. You set him aside, and then inside is your separator roll. This has kind of a standard clip-in type of tooth that you have to lift back on and then slide the roll off the shaft. Once you're all the way forward with the roll, you'll come up and out. And there's your separator roll. Now to go back in, exactly the same. Do note that there's little slots in the back of that roll that will mate with this white clutch. You take your roll and you go back down into that cavity with that roll and slide it back onto the shaft. And make sure you mate up those slots with that white clutch in the rear. And then you'll replace your orange cover, slide that little tooth in, and then lower the whole orange piece of plastic into place and click it in. Now to do these feed rolls, the first thing you'll do is take two fingers, push those down, and then swing that whole orange cover out. Now to get the top feed roll out, it's very simple. You rotate it up, you push the orange button to the rear, and then you slide the whole assembly off of that shaft. And it comes out just like that. And that's your top separator. Now on the bottom, it's a little more tricky. You'll grab the whole orange assembly with your hand, nice and firm, and you'll compress that spring inside of there. And then you'll twist and turn it a little bit and pull the whole assembly to the rear, like that. And that's your bottom feed wheel. To go back in, you'll take the white bushing, insert it into the black housing where the hole is for it on the bottom, right next to the clear plastic. That'll go in, keep it at an angle, compress the spring, swing that assembly inside, and then let the spring out so that the shaft of the pickup roll goes into the brass bushing in the rear. Now you want to take that assembly and swing it back up into place into the housing, just like that. Now you want to take your upper pickup roll, and remember the orange part goes toward the front of the machine. You'll go straight into the cavity like that, and then you'll slide it to the rear onto the shaft, and then push that roll down just like that. And once your rolls are in place, we're going to replace the orange plastic cover. There's two little teeth, and they're going to go into those two little holes in the black housing. You stab those in and then swing the whole assembly up and into place. Give it a good click. Make sure both of those latches are latched, and then you'll close your top cover and you're done. Hey guys, if you want to see more quick how-to videos on this same model, click right here. As always, thank you so much to our viewers for watching our how-to videos here at the Printing Workshop. If these videos help you in any way, please like and subscribe.